Got my old AC condenser out. Trying to put in my new AC condenser. Well, I ain't trying them in, just putting it in. Hopefully I can have some AC as it is. Gotta vacuum it. Like it's in pretty good condition. New, it's new. Discount other parts. I just gotta put some pieces on there and slap this bad boy in. That's pretty much gonna be the end. The old one out there was leaking from on this side somewhere. I don't know where. It appeared to be the leak here. Somewhere up here. I don't know. Hope that was the problem. Yeah, see. Not gonna throw that one out just in case. If it wasn't an issue and everything, that AC condenser is still good, so I have another one, just clean it down a little bit. And that'd be the end of that.